Okay.
Get it?
Just turn it all the way to the left. Try going a bit slower.
You want to just drive around and you can
That's good. Yeah, that was it. Yeah, there it is again.